Today we're in Philadelphia and we're on our way to Benjamin Rush State Park. This state park is a little bit different than some of the other ones you've seen on the channel. It's got open meadows, a community garden, so stay tuned. Today I'm at Benjamin Rush State Park here in Northeast Philadelphia. This is the only Pennsylvania state park located in the boundary of Philadelphia. So we're going to check it out and show you what it's like. All right, so let me show you on the map. We're here. This park is known for a huge community garden. It's also known for its RC airplane field. So today we're going to explore some of these trails and show you what this park is like. Look at some of the TripAdvisor or Yelp reviews for this park. People have talked about that they've come back and their car has been broken into. So just use common sense. Don't leave anything valuable in your car. Hide things, make sure you lock your vehicle. This park has about 3 miles of trails. All the trails loop together here. Biking's permitted on the trails as well as hiking and walking. So a nice network where you can do a trail that's up to 3 miles, or you can do something shorter if you're interested in that. So the park is named for Dr. Benjamin Rush. He was born in Byberry Township in 1745. He was a doctor. He actually was a delegate to Continental Congress and was a signer of the Declaration of Independence. He was Surgeon General for George Washington's Continental Army. He was also known as the father of American psychiatry, and he studied mental illness, and he actually believed that alcoholism was a disease. He was all about humane treatment of patients that suffered from mental illness. And then he was also a spokesman for the abolition of slavery and for universal education. He started medical clinics to treat the poor. And he died in 1813, and this park is in his honor. So compared to some other Pennsylvania state parks, you're not going to get that total solitude here. You're going to hear road noise. You're going to hear the sounds of the city. And that's to be expected since the state park lies within the city border. So just know that going into it. So there's a red-winged blackbird sitting up on the telephone wire, and you really do hear a lot of birds. So it looks like milkweed grows here in the summer in this meadow. So over here are the community gardens. So this is one of the largest areas of community gardens, and it's here in the state park. You can see people are starting to set up their garden for the springtime. Some more shots of the community garden over there. So it talks about sustainability for the park. They've removed invasive plants, replaced them with native plants. They've got compost bins for leaves, clippings, and organic matter, so it can be used as fertilizer for the gardens. There's a hawk soaring up there in the distance above the meadow here. like maybe a red-tailed hawk. So this park is made up of 315 acres, and I know that 275 of those acres were donated by Byberry Hospital and given to the state to create this state park. So along the trail there's lots of nice benches where you can sit and take a break. Although this is really easy hiking. It's all flat, it's all gravel, nothing complicated here in terms of trails. So originally this land was occupied by the Native Americans and then later European settlers. And during the colonial times, a grant from William Penn, I'm telling you, it all comes back to William Penn in Pennsylvania, led to the founding of Byberry Township and a Quaker farming community where Benjamin Rush was born. And then in 1906, Byberry, now part of Philadelphia, housed a psychiatric hospital to provide patients with fresh air and open spaces. And in 1975, when the hospital closed, Benjamin Rush State Park was established. I like that they have the trails here, but they also have the community garden to go back to the roots of the farming community that it used to be. And this shows you some of the buildings of Byberry State Hospital. Here's a Quaker meeting house. Pretty cool, huh? Rush State Park is a really great spot in the city. It's awesome to have a Pennsylvania State Park here in the boundaries of Philadelphia. It's a beautiful place with lots of flat, easy trails. Hiking and walking is accessible here for anybody, and I really like that. Thank you so much for watching our video about Benjamin Rush State Park. I hope you enjoyed seeing what this state park within Philadelphia boundaries look like. I think this would be a great place to bring the family. The trails are nice and easy and flat with the gravel. Be a really good place to walk around. So I hope you enjoyed it. This is my 56th Pennsylvania State Park that I've seen, so I'm making some good progress. Thanks for watching.